In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a purchase order in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, accurate order that's ready for your supplier and easy to track in your accounts. Start from your Xero dashboard. Look to the top of the screen and click the plus icon. This opens a quick menu of transaction types. From that menu, choose Purchase Order. Xero will open a new purchase order form so you can enter the details. Begin by selecting the Contact. This is your supplier. Use the search field to find the correct one, and make sure you pick the supplier you actually intend to order from. Choosing the right contact helps Xero pull in any default settings tied to that supplier and keeps your records tidy. Next, set the delivery date. Pick the date you expect the items to arrive. This is useful for planning stock or scheduling services, and it also helps your reporting later, so choose it carefully. Enter a reference. This could be a job number, a project code, or the supplier's quote number. A good reference makes it easier to match supplier bills to this order and to find the order quickly if questions come up. Now, add your item. If you use inventory items in Xero, selecting one will autofill the description, unit price, account, and tax rate. Enter the quantity you're ordering and adjust the price if your negotiated rate is different. If you don't use inventory items, type a clear description and select the correct expense account and tax treatment so your costs are coded properly. Choose the delivery address. Select the site, warehouse, house, or office where the goods should be delivered. Double check this, especially if your business has multiple locations, to avoid delays or missed deliveries. Enter a telephone number for the delivery contact. This helps the supplier or courier reach someone on site if they need access instructions or confirmation on arrival. If needed, add delivery instructions. Use this space for details like receiving hours, access notes, or handling requirements. Clear instructions reduce back and forth and keep deliveries smooth. Before you finalize, scan the order, contact, delivery date, reference, items, quantities, prices, tax, and totals. Make sure everything matches your quote or agreement. When you're happy, click Approve. Approval confirms the purchase order, assigns it an order number, and makes it ready to send to your supplier and track against incoming bills. From there, you can share it with the supplier when you're ready or download a copy for your records. That's it. Your purchase order is created, accurate, and ready to in Xero.